Good morning, everyone. Um, I hope everyone is fine. Guys from Cote d'Ivoire, guys from Ghana, and by and large, the South African and East African region. I received a list of challenges that people are going through when trying to raise activities, create activities for 2018, and raise requisitions. And I would like to address the points one by one using this video. Let me also communicate a few changes that we've done in the system since we last met. Uh, we've added a new dashboard, budget by STO. It basically shows how you're doing on each strategic objective in terms of budgeting. You can actually change the values by using the filters up here. And as you can see, now it's filtering budget by objective using fiscal year 2019, fiscal period quarter 1. So if I change this to see how we're doing on strategic objectives for FY 2019, these values change, and you can see there is always a lot of money that goes into strategic objective 1. Now, the other thing you need to note is that when I change these filters, also these numbers change down here. The total budget, and this is for ECAN because we've selected ECAN here. It's this much for FY 2019, and they are budgeted these days, and they still have a balance because they haven't made any requisitions. So if I change this to 2018, I should be able to see that the budget for ECAN Kenya, if I deselect this, the budget for ECAN for 2018 is 23,000. It looks very small, and I believe it's because they haven't entered activities for FY 2018. But this is what it is. And if I want detailed information, guys, you can go to reports, and I can select one of these reports. I can go to budget by region. Okay, I can go to budget by region, and here there's a filter, guys. There's a filter here that you need to open to filter by different perspectives. For example, here it's showing me total budget for for all the regions, FY 2018, FY 2019 combined. So if I just want to show for 2018, and we should be able to see the same figures. You see for ECAN is $23,000, followed by SAN, $2,000. Wow, okay. I think just one person has done activities for 2018 in SAN, and one is 168. I think all your activities are in the system. So not to lose focus, the purpose of this video was to address challenges that the team is facing while creating activities for 2018 and raising requisition. So here the first challenge is from Abu Bakar Aful. He's saying my 2018 activities are not visible to me on the platform. Okay, I will show you how to see your 2018 activities in the system. So I will log in as Abu Bakar. Allow me to log in as him. I'm going to his profile, and I will delegate myself. I will delegate myself as Abu, so that I can be able to log in and see if I can see the activities. So now if I go to the system, no, hold on, edit. I want And then now I can go in here and log in as Abu. So now I'm logged in as Abu in the system. And if I go to my activities, if I go to my activities as Abu, I can only see activities for 2019. And I believe that is the situation for most of the people. Guys, I need you to note this area here called filter. This area called filter. Click this arrow going down and then change the fiscal year to 2018. So if you change the fiscal year to 2018, then you should be able to see all the activities for 2018. So to see activities for 2018, you go to my activities and then there's a filter up here, right? There's a filter up here with an arrow pointing down. Click on that arrow and then change the fiscal year to 2018 or 2019. If I change to 2019, then I will be viewing activities for 2019. If I change to 2018, then I am able to view activities for 2018. I hope I've answered Abu Bakr. I hope I've answered you. I hope I've also answered Mirel Sise and Aswan Komain. So Aswan, Mirel, and Abu, you are not able to view your 2018 activities. I hope this video answers you. Number 2 from Abu Bakr. I sent my request for October to Miriam for review. She did and issued me to make some changes to the budget and requisition. However, both the budget and amount requested have been locked. True. So once you only have one chance to modify requested amount before submission, and after that, the budget and requested amount get locked. So now we've done a change that allows you to edit. Abu Bakr, I can see you resubmitted your requisition. So now if you open this, you will still see you are able to, now you will not be able to edit because these two are locked. Now for you to be able to edit, you have to ask Miriam to return the requisition to you. And then when it says here returned, now the requested amount will be enabled and you'll be able to change. Okay, you have to request Miriam to resend back, to return your requisition, and only then you will be able to amend or modify requested amount. Now, you also said you made a mistake on the land transport, which is 900, but you wanted 3,000. So when the requisition is returned, you can actually modify it and put the amount requested to 3,000. You will not be able to change the budget because the budget is already locked. So you can put it to 3,000 because that is really what you are requesting. I hope that answers you on that one. The next question is Patrick Aka. Patrick Aka, you are saying, Patrick Aka, and you're saying, I did a mistake on the amount of participants' transport refund and submitted to Miriam, and I can't correct it. Okay, so now I will log in as Aka, Fabian, Patrick, and I will go to, again, you can see your requisition by changing the filter. I'll go to requisitions, and I can see you submitted one requisition that you're saying you made a mistake. That's fine. When it's still in this submitted state, you can cancel. All right. You can go to workflow and cancel. It will bring back to opened status, and then after that, you will receive an email telling you what to do. And because you made a mistake in budgeting, you should, after you cancel, now you will be able to delete the requisition. Delete the requisition, go back to budget activities, then modify the figures, and then generate a new requisition. Okay, and I hope that answers your question. Naka Sakadogo, I submitted my October budget without taking into account snack and water for participant, and I can't correct it. You do the same thing. You do the same thing as for Patrick Aka. You cancel your submission, and then after that you'll be able to delete it. Go to budget, go to activities, budget items, correct the mistakes, and then generate a new requisition. As one comment, I have shown you how to show your activities, and I think that addresses the list of problems or challenges that people were facing. And I'm going to post this video on YouTube, and I hope it's going to be valuable to you. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.